Yes. Mwanjumuligiri bono tokwani andonzi ya sobereta se marogoba ya bono litukonelia Jumatato unabotambe Emanyie Jumatato.
Mwanjumuliya chitariki ni komina ibere bono ekero chia yaragirense moya bono mugoroba chinga to kwariga ni Emanyie Jumatato ere to kumanye nara yatu agosangere ire kero to kubwatira nabasaki baito asenchera ere yo bwikiranu.
Nyiro bono ebikoro byobosare nabo igo abantu kunyara ko mukurugege tambukiro kubwatekana nabantu gosaga na abantu bande igo kagendrete ko eneki wona motuka makoka etire asomoteri ya matera yenchire akorwa sorokongorwa Gusii umanyekante buna kaka digital wono abete kago sambwensemeri yabo chengo nenga nato kuchikubwatia so boimenyera bono Emanyie Jumatato amange to akwaliganire unabalike baito basangire koro chingongo chonsi imene isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii.
Mwanjumuliya ya sensemeri ya Facebook na bakogendera gotonyora witra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter na botwitu witra @Ndizi TV News ero togendere gusanga mange kodene ritangani kegima teatranyore gatiari to akwaliganire asenchira ere yugwinge.
This airport will be serving the Kisii. We have the CS, the County Secretary representing His Excellency Governor Simba Arati.
Serikali yanengo chakobwaga chibwegetigie chinde gase county ya Homa Bay yegentogia togi kwene serikali ya county ya Kisii.
I want to urge the governors to talk to the county commissioners and have a good relationship. When we came in, the previous administration had created a wedge between the national government and the county government. Ourselves, we told our county commissioners, I called them for a meeting, that we are one people. We serve the same people. There is gain when we work together.
Litanga nitiga totingyo borendi aba county commissioner babori gukobwatira namo nabarai au asti county otebire omokonyo muri wenserigadi gashawa.
In probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we shall have the first file ready, and but we don't want to go into the details of who is involved and what is involved.
Obukurumi nigo bagendrete gosege tunabakoriye mirimo be serikali ekyombo kyo gotuko obukurumi EACC gyatebire. Asa yomone nda mange mwancho muligire bono isaranso eketo gosansemuranire asenchira yobo ekiranu olitoko bwatira nere goitira somuna wimanyiriyo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta.
Enchire tariane ne Everline Osero.
Itrane nkoro kwa Vincent. Onyancha gochake mesi amangana mayenye getali ya itirio maternity yuone manyekitana itirio maternity and nursing home nigo yabage kwigurana gochako bokoribwa yebene kubwatekana una nigo yabireke gosye kwasengake elikonyara kuligererigwa anaso konyara ko kini wensemo yamaga chona boigo nebintu bigotumeka ase enyagetali yeyo
nyagetali nigo yakabera asobokoreri kore niko bwatekana no gusena magacha mabe kabake gosye kumwaka bw'ikibibere na 20 noyomo kore ndebono nigo yabirege kwigurwa asera chikorwa obokoreri bwabene gochiase abamenyi bebunge ya Bunchari egati yechinsemo au
omurikitonde mo Steven gekirana senseme yona gotwaliganiria oroboti rokubwatia
enyagetari mission ya itierio ngati chinyagetari chinkoro chinsemo chasuneka Bunchari nonya nabo emyake mingi ya itire kurwe nyara ko bage kurwa bokoreri Korende maiga yebinto koronge gwasenya getari eyo nigo bokoreri bwaigorwa bene imeitierio maternity and nursing home.
Nyagitari ye yarabereke gokora obobwenia matuka maeka korukare. One tuanye igora tukarakora renovations yake kwenye facelift na kwenye kinie level. Korwa se level koikarero to ikire level 5. Gobono tualike kanisa ya tualika eliende gokora oboigorio bo rasmi. gogochaka bono gochimotuga iga ntorengereti gochikonyora abarwaire naende abarwaire bonsi piko igwete bobe kwaregani gugocha enyagitari yaitire maternity and nursing home onyore obobwenia.
Kanisa letu la Kiinjili katika Kenya lilianza na shughuli hii ya matibabu na tuko na kumekuwa na hata iko sahi Nyagowa Health Center, Atemo Health Center, Munyanko Health Center na Matongo Health Center, na hii ni hatua nzuri na Mungu atubariki tunapoanza hivi.
Gwetire nyagitari ye kuigorwa nigera konya mang'ana ya bobwenia na gusire birengo byo bobwenia ime ya bonchari ndorogongo rwa Gusii.
Igonta etekwira ndingambo ya mona aseri tukeli kiagera nechindoto che kiranire ase ogokerorwa kwenya gitari ye koba kegwangeke bono twachira ase chinguru chinene igo tokwaregania abakenya bonsi no Gusii wensi inga bona ase nara baranyore ogotimokera naende banyare kugwena babe nobogima nande baba nabarogwaso boikeranu una yesaga tatebe. Esabari ya renovation teraba esabari ya raisi ase ngencho esabari ya renovation ne involve tia mangana finances lakini ntaete koiraneria abanchari kiagara na ubare chijirani nanda abanyene enyagitari yeye aso kobwaterana kori barure kobwaterana korokuya kubwata omorembe okukwanyarire koro kianga renovation sichi chiakoriru paka twakorire stoikire rero twigoire nyagitari yeye aso obobwenia
bari baikirana nigo baerera buna okorosigwa kwenya getari kwa irege kigetambi kunde gwetero kubwatirana kwa babwatani benya getari yeye amaroro babwatanya reko bakagoikirana. Omogo kobono na samenyi bechinsemo chia itierio suneka na bunge ya boncheri abono banyode nyagitari ende iranyare ko bakeko bakonya konyoro bokoreri bwo nyagitari. Ko reporteria Ndizi TV ko ruchinsemo chia itierio nursing home Bonchari constituency rietariane Ndemo Steven.
Mbia mono murikeito Ndemo Steven ase oroboti orurikiranu korwase ebunke ya Bonchari totkana nayo nigo abasaye korwase bunge ya bubasi bakumumuchire omuchumbe o South Mugrango Silvana Osero askeri bautana nogo tamuska omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nabono nigo bamuganiriye korwesko ya bene eri omugavana wekirania magendero asaba menyibe county ya Kisii
korengana nabasabu nigo batebire uno mubungo South Mugrango Silvana Osero berego taro Kisii kogo chiaso omugavana yo chinga kiechini ko batebire buna okuburukanirwa nabo igogotorano kumurembe ananeme county ya Kisii nsemo ya bodaboda nigo gosegetire no mujumbo yo asobono baganire kende gyonse kira kolekane anasamangana yo gotabo kumurembe nsemo ya bodaboda omujumbo South Mugrango nabwene tokurwa roboti igoro yenganeyo
omurikeito Josephat Amisi no roboti ogwa asobikiranu
Gaichi buraburu korrakana asomega wa matanga ime constituency ya South Mugrango uyirete anena mabera kisiasa ati umugavana we county ya Kisii Simbarati na boigo omochumbe we constituency ya South Mugrango Silvana Osero bono nigo abasae anene kurwa ase constituency ya bobasi bakoro kwa buna bobasi youth council banyira ko bakwesokia na kugikeria egakorekyo
okondem amangana abereka okorwa no mweshimiwa Silvana Osero boigo buna basai nigo togosaba tororo Osero kakobwatu kakobekume na kuigorerwa mashtaka na apparatus cia security chense yeto ya Kenya aseigo mogochikonganjera mbatebi amangana abera atatu ayabe Osero abereka gokora aywa kogera ntubuna basai toigwanga ekeno Osero nkogosera romo Gusii at large na nene mono nkogosera ari governor Simbarati oyoro mobasi asengenjera agotebanga nabwata abagram twachire gokirwa ngire gusika governor bono yekira asemtuna abasai babo bastogotebanga governor buno mobasi mpaka atikoba protected either by the state or seba into youth.
As a representatives of the youth council members of Moro chegege bare drawn from Bobasi constituency etwachire ga negange moyoko gikeri ebikoro byo mweshimiwa majority whip yore Silvana Osero. We are not happy the way our conduct as a fellow youth we are not happy.
Bago kwana rituko rya rero abasabo nigo bagaburirie serikali nyarako bagikumwirira umuchumbe oisilvana sosore gatambukiro elio kwenekia munecha kirobotuki elio komanyekenya rituko bagikwirira anne chiburaburu echio
Osero nkwarokanite gutwara group y'abantu babwate ebyoma ebinge sana chinsaranji arrokanite amagena na arrokanite ebiboye mbi arrokanite n'abantu abege bagotebanga nae barenge gokoba gochia samatanga nkige kogera
Incident chose to abasomere mne youth council yabo basi Osero abere involved. Incident chose a county government through a commissioner ito. It is silent about all these incidents. Does it mean there's something Ivamayete into the public to Tamanyet? And Ivamanyet, why can't they let us aware Tomanyenga in every situation it's all about Kisii? Because on your diplomacy failed, then we are ready. Tolinge Chirong, Tolinge Chichi, and into Bobas, into Boatebiboy, Toimokiboy, Tomeranaturwa. Because the county security apparatus, they're silent. They don't want to speak anything about this issue. Is it because Osero is above the law?
Nigo bamubulire omu county commissioner we county ya Kisii anyara kobaga guchakia obutuki bwa bwango elio kwenekia ekikirete chiburaburu chenyare tukoba chiko korekana me constituency ya South Mugirango.
Twawusabire moto hambo time na youth sababu ndo alinga egasiine tera tokotuna ntuwa bana youth sababu tutaite Osero reaction
jinjije jirororo ekero kwara gokorera matianga nayo bendrete gokora ekera akoreiru after powers is what we just saw before you after you get out of that power.
Kuripotiri gataseni kia Ndizi TV kuri county ya Kisii Riterana Josephat Hamisi.
Mbiye muno muri kito Josephat Hamisi sorobochi rwa senchira yobo ikirano gotigana yobo gobono go murkira ngane engabnejo ababwatani kurwa sekia makaliki ya ODM imeye county ya Kisii boigoni go besokire eri kunyara komochi mubungo South Mugirango Silvana Osero anasengane bwatranite ogotarwe sikogo cha somo governor we county ya Kisii abwatani bo ODM ni go wanu babodri mubungo yukunyara komwa omugavana libaga eri kurwa bokore na kubwatrana aso ikirania magendro imeye county ya Kisii.
Amanke ni gotwariganire no muri kyeto Mildred Emanyie.
ODM tuko tayari. Ero twaumiranire igaso mu cyobusongo kerokende kunyara ko yagikeria mono amangana kerokenda agendreta se county to ya Kisii na inde kerokenda akoretwo ni chiburaburu no musike Silvana Osero oyoro omubunge South Mugirango igo twachire iga muna abasae na kerokende ebikora bigendreta okorekana bikongozwa n'umusike Silvana Osero ngatibiribia na intu muna abasae igo twabugete nga igo togochora abasae ase county to ya Kisii bi 8 omo MCA omo jumbe omo governor omo senator ngakero kenda basani intu twabire togochandika asamangana yechigasi ngabasai bekikoro tegerito begete ngakero kende na intu batororera amabera bono yaikira basai batonchokeire oyo korugu Silvana Osero koburuga simba ntorigo chiwanja
bomo turbanu korento bo turbanu bwaya samatanga eiterita bingia ileta biembe twaekanire bora yomuya noyo korenta abantu amo nekera rentra abantu amo babeke metuamo na gavana okoba nero mo gavana oebwe county ya Kisii nero no mojumbo South Mugirango na teta abagirango bakorwa magendero no mo gavana oito igo tigabo monto morayi orochenki ngayense koruna segochi lakini agenteka nene mono aske mo gavana oito simbarati okoba nero mo gavana oe
Mosike Silvana Osero tigae omosike simbarati chinga kichinyororo akorere abantu bagusii egasi atamo etibo asenge njonere na rumusai chinga kichiaengo ikachire agoja kubori oborai na intubu na basai ba ODM onye ga kwanlish tera aso mugava no ito na intubo no otoja kwanlish tera gochesari abasai babeire bago chayu ase Gusii sana chinga kie arenga chinga kichomosai ntotageti ajake go turturbania togo iga 2027 iri abantu togo chiwaka chikura abantu bachako tayo ngabasaya bakumbe mbali una bali mbai bangeti omosike Silvana Osero ototaite ko kwa as very strong warning that you must behave
No umuri keito mirde mumanyi hasoro bote rwasenchira yobwekirano engane yoko gikerio soro negendra tinkongo aw aba ndobonse bakumugikiri timaite naseke abande bari bakomoka gokorunsa mu yasati mungirango tomanya wono mocho muri keriko tigana nayo aborokiwamo na bayiboli ni go bagendrete korwa ibirengere byabo ekero keria abana bagendrete kumanyigwa igoro ejekikiri baguchikoba asama tukale bosi ekero bagendrete konyora amasoma asiri tukuri rero moyego monini gokorekana se skuru yabo iseke yasironga asaboroki wabu banyara gosemigwa enchira barachikomya sama tukari busio anene chikoshiri barachi gosomera
Omego yogo korawa na Dr. Rosi Korwase University ya Kisii ni gateru na nerebuya aboroki wakwe wa oboseme wa mapema iliyoko manyabuna ningi kire bamwento gukora ekero bakure secondary gose wasase University iliyoko bakonya na kumanya ninki baganite koba ekero bakure chiskuru
omurikito Korwase County ya Nyamira jobu mangire kene skuru yabo iseke yasironga na gotwariganira roboti rokobwatia
Ekera aborokio bakorete amatemu a KCSE omwaka oeta bagendrete gochora chikos ao nigesege yarurgo chiase chisukuru korwa amagerio gochia sabana kibali abake iguremere mubara chigokora
and they've done well academically, and the issue of coming here was to just prepare them, because a prepared mind is always ready to meet success. We have to tell them to prepare.
It's important that the young girls choose their career early before they get into the candidates class.
Ainiga kuanua ase skuru chinyaruka asironga egotoka ase kaunti Nyamira asomo sangerekano oaliganu na borokia Korwase University ya Kisii bakorona Dr. Rose ase basanga na borokio bara ase form 3.
Most of the time we find that students go through a school system and then the emphasis on career comes in form 4. But in Seronga girls, we do it differently. They have been mentored. We have talked to them about career development, about discipline, about diligence.
Aborokiwa mbasemiwa igoro byo bogotwara chimbwa chingia na gokora omokia ase chisemi.
That we don't just want good grades, but we also want good grades with character.
Because without character, then education is meaningless. We can have them all score A's, and we found them in the doldrums of life where they've lost it in terms of character. They are not able to stand for themselves. They can't make the right choices, and that is a waste.
Abayiboli mbasa bogotegerera abana babo igeremere mu baganete gokora nakoba obosemya boisaine.
Let them choose those careers that they feel that they will be best at. So that would be my advice to parents. But at the same time, I would also request the young people in secondary schools that sometimes parents also give their parental guidance. I've worked before the students. They should also listen to them.
Omokonyi bomorokia omonene otenenerete orosagerwe chisemi gwantai Aaron nate baborokyo mbabwendete koegwa amagerio bali abake igoremere mubagane chigokora.
Say that career guidance in our school is a continuous process which begins in Form 1 up to Form 4. And I will urge my colleague teachers across the country, wherever they are, they can benchmark that one from us and also practice it in their centers so that we can be able to inform our learners so that they do not make mistakes when it comes to career choices.
Aborokyo beskuria sironga mbache ngera mageri ayo nagote abanachi ko bakonya asamagimabo anene mono igoremere mubagane chigokora.
Visitors who have visited us have impacted positively in us in our choice of careers. We've been prepared to choose well, as we all know that chance favors a prepared mind. So I would urge everybody out there to guide the upcoming minds, the great potential of tomorrow on careers.
I learned a lot today, but especially what I learned mostly is to go for your potential. I would like to become a neonatologist, dealing in pediatrics and child health. So I would like to encourage the people out there to go for their potential. And as my colleague had said, the sky is not the limit, but the sky is the floor.
What I've learned today is that let us get out of our comfort zone and let us reach beyond the sky.
Gengo reporteria Ndizi TV kurwa siku ya Sironga egotoka Emanyie County Nyamira Job Maangi.
Miamono murikyo ito Job Maangi asoro botirurikira nukurwa se county ya Nyamira nirebuyekera baorokiwa gusaba na bagotebereriwa mapema eryo bakonyeka samatukarbusyo
gokwenya orita sobora ri gosengwate urite
Mwanji omurigere togotikana nayo nigo sector y'obosombi yachakire bene getiye chindege ya Kabunde Emanyie County ya Homa Bay bunenchire moyo gokino bosombi asensemo yegosa asensemo yembeo
Kolengana na watani ne serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii nigo yariganie getambo kirigya sokote bone nchere yemera chigokonya mangana lengeta bosombi aigasi kaunti ya Kisii obisi yo mugavana we kaunti ya Kisii yibono yekera sensemo yigekera wono mu county secretary Ntabo ni gatogya egetambo kirekyo.
This airport will be serving the Kisii. We have the CS, the county secretary representing His Excellency Governor Simba Arati, and he has a word just to commit that the Kisiis will be using this airport. So,
thank you. Just a word. Your Excellency, our CS, and all protocol observed. Honorable Simba Arati, Governor Kisii County, sent me here to pass his greetings. Mmepokea salamu za Mheshimiwa Arati, mnajua anawapenda. Number 2, just his commitment that Kisii County and the people of Kisii are ready to utilize this facility to ensure that this project is a success. Those are words from His Excellency Paul Simba Arati. Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
Na ekera yubono agendrete nsemo yo mugavana we county Homa Bay Gladys Wanga nigo chinga kechiwana atebene getambo kireki yago chia serikali ye county ya Homa Bay egona watani be county Homa Bay asate wane chikonyara gokinia mangana ya magendro na sensemelia yobo sombe na nigarate abange mbashiko konya ka sensemeyo ani chi county lichibebekaine ne county ya Homa Bay.
Chairman of the Committee of Transport in the National Assembly has spoken to the issue of the ferry. It's a big, for our people who live in the islands, 80% of Kenya's Lake Victoria is in Homa Bay, which means that people who live in the islands and other places are unable to move without the ferry. So I thank you, I thank the national government, I thank the Committee on Transport, and especially our colleagues who are also in the budget committee like Honorable Mili for ensuring that we now have that budget for the ferry. Asante sana to the national government for that particular movement. So we are happy that that is happening. I know that there are many roads also happening, one of which we will see between Adiedo and Karabok, the one that is in Karoli's constituency that will open up that part of the country hugely and open up our tourism.
Tinga kiache ni gomo waziri wa bosombi Kipchumba Murkomen aberega wakirambia mono serikali ya county ya Homa Bay na tauna okobwatrana na kurachi gokinia amagendero ase county eyo.
We are working together. I know some people were looking at us. I saw some of our pictures that were shared in the morning, and people were asking, can Wanga work with Murkomen? What is going on? Yeah. Many of you do not know that. Those of us who are here understand two things. It is one thing to, nyinyi raia mko na maneno. Napigia mtu makofi tu akisema story. Lakini uchaguzi kikaribia, watu wanataka maendeleo. So sisi kwa upande huu bila kujali chama, lazima tuhakikishe kwanza uko na kitu ya kupelekea raia. Nawaambia ndio hii barabara, ndio hii tuko na ferry hapa, ndio hii tuko na tumejenga airport, tumeextend airport. Hata mimi kama kijana sitaki nikwende nikizeeka namna ile, wanasema huyo mtu tu alikuwa anapika Kiingereza kwa wizara. Na inafaa nikirudi hapa nasema nilikuja hapa nikasema tuongeze runway, tumeongeza. Na hii imekuwa an international airport. So we have to work together. Sisi haijalishi she is elected in ODM, I was elected. In any case, mimi nilikuwa mtu ya mkono ya baba.
Tokotigana nayo ni gekiombe yokorwani obokurumi kya Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC yateru na obokurumi mense ya Kenya nigo bogenderete gusegetwa n'abakora imirimo be serikali.
Korengana ne kiombe kibono aigasense ya Kenya EACC gekrowa na Abdul Muhammad nigo batebere bunamba genderete gusangiria abirengeri anane igoro jobokurumi bogendete kone ki waigasense ya Kenya nigo bateruna faili ntanga nigera tigosoka samotoka makale bosio eli banyare korigere mbara yabagante kubwaterana anasense melie jobokurumi chinga kiyo kiombe kinigo kya rokorogo tina oteuna onde bwensi oratoke na nyokurwa sense mu ya serikali na ichiko imukirege tambo kirege tinde asekeli bateruna mbagendere kubwaterana mu chinse mu chinde eli kunyara kwa ne kibunango sidi bale obokurumi aiga sense ya Kenya.
Probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks we shall have the first file ready. And but we don't want to go into the details of who is involved and what is involved, and we are basically looking at detailed investigations when it comes to CI, both in the previous administration and in the current administration.
Saying says prevention is better than cure. Therefore, once we've understood what do investigators look for in this when they come to investigate procurement-related issues, then we're able to be more aligned, more engaged, but more importantly, be sensitive to those pitfalls that can befall our members during that process. Essentially, it's also part and parcel of saying, how can we ensure that the people that are involved in any part of that process, we call it supply chain for a reason. It's not just procurement. Supply chain is a holistic view about where the process starts, end-to-end view of supply chain, so that accountability is put at the right places in the supply chain, not just at procurement people.
Na gotigana yubonu mwancho mu ligereria mu prime cabinet secretary Musalia Mudavadi ni gobana nyarega ko igara na gosiyoli beno go chake okumurubiri bwo kominyoko ya omanyekente buna hospitality igasense ya Kenya akokwana ichokolia lero asomurubiri wa Africa Hospitality Investment Forum ni gate una inerenchira yemera chokonya na gokinia amagendero.
Murobere yibona ningorengete koretamo ababwatani kurwa chinsemo au abonchurira ase emebogani nabo igo egatia bande unenchira moyo gosira uchumi nabo igo obotari asaganirie ababwatani nabo igebyombe au gochamo kubwatrana ne serikali babe bagosirana ase ogosira na gukinia enseme yega.
There are a lot of issues that through your influence you should not look at yourselves as only influencing tourist or tourism or hospitality policies. Look at yourself holistically. You must be able to influence other things. You must be able to influence policies around security. You must be able to influence policies around the financing of the country and how they bring out their rules. In terms of looking at what taxation measures that a government is bringing in at the end of the day, you have to critically examine this. So look at the hospitality industry not in a silo approach, but look at it in a holistic approach. And I hope that in the conversation from the varied topics that you'll have, you'll be able to bring forward some very critical suggestions that would help all of us improve and generate the kind of investment we want in that sector. We want to see more employment. We want to see more capacity building. We want to see that being accelerated across the board. We want to see you supporting us and helping us more forcefully on matters of conservation and greening of the sector. What do we do? How can we partner to achieve that?
umurigiriria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigiriria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi chinsemero ngeberenaine bono onye kendegia korekanire asekenyurukiao ekiotagete utumanye asubwango mono abwonda isi reke nambeye asesemiao enoti isano na ibere inya isatu isano nemu ibere isatu isano na isatu isano na ibere eyemo elioto akire n'abasaki baito baikasuri na kubekora roboti ubwo asembeo emesa yamangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwabekire simu yawe ime
na tugusaba kwabera soko burukana kwemitambo ha sensemende ya studio go tigana yo mwancho murigirya nigo omwaziro tenete amangana yobo tari penina malonza na eralganiye getambo kerekyo anasomo yogo yogo tokolia Roma katabana Africa Hospitality Investment Forum asoko teuna na renchire yemera chikonyara gokinia libaga anana sensemo yobo korali aiga sense ya Kenya
malonza nigata na ense ya Kenya ne bwateri bagali yalyo wekinya na sensemo yobo tariko bwatkana no botumeki bwechinchera chiekerero egatie bintu binde binke.
Kenya is ripe. Why should we invest in Kenya? Kenya is a techno hub of Africa. That is good for you to know. Technologically we are advanced, and this is one country where we will not struggle a lot with technology. Why would you invest in Kenya? Because we have build infrastructure, including the super highway that we have right in the middle of the city. And so in the area of infrastructure, we have developed ourselves as a country. And so you have an opportunity to invest in this country. And so we'll be looking not only to our beaches, not only to our wildlife, but also cutting through to sports tourism, where we are looking at paragliding, investments, skiing investments, athletic training camps, mountain climbing facilities, and in the area also of agro-tourism. We are one country that is blessed so much.
Omukanyi bomurai wense rigadiga shawa nigaborire aba county commissioner kubwatrana nabarai ao nabo igabanyanyimbo asenchire ya moyo gukora obusari bw'ekingenjo ao aneno bonia nabo igo obutumeki webinyuwa byo gutindya
gukona litsokolia ni gatebire bunegangene yo kubwatrana amona bwatani ao anasensemo yoburende nenchire moyo gutinyo burende chinsemo ao eri bamanye gutwara magenderande gashawa ni gatebire no kubwatrana kwa county commissioner mana bwatani bande anachi county gochakero governor mona bajumbe ni gukora konye konyara gwikirania magendero anene asense merengete oburendi.
Want to urge the governors to talk to the county commissioners and have a good relationship. When we came in, the previous administration had created a wedge between the national government and the county government. Ourselves, we told our county commissioners, I called them for a meeting, that we are one people. We serve the same people. There is gain when we work together. I want to ask these governors to consider where you have challenges of budgetary, put money aside to give allowances to the National Police Reserve. Where there are issues of transport, county governors consider buying and maintaining vehicles to be used by these officers. Because hata ukijenga barabara ujenge hospitali na watu yako hapana lala, you are wasting your time. Security is everything. It's a prerequisite to development. So please, I want to encourage our officers of the National Government Administration. Kaa karibu na governor wako, kaa karibu na mjumbe wako. We used to build even canteens for police officers. Wale tulikuwa tunapelekana mzuri. Lakini kama wewe kazi yako ni kuchukua pesa ya banki, hakuna mjumbe atakujengea ofisi. Mjaribu kukaa na hawa waheshimiwa wako na pesa ya CDF, hawa county governors wako na pesa ya
mbia muno mwenchumo ligiriria nyoro ntogandete gukumanya bunagendrete gwateka kolenda sebono ibiri bitu bigendrete kumnyoka tatakando mutumukomoke
Rinda sema ya kabiri studio tumwarigani Victor Sultan Bomangi atumanyuna nara ya twariganirite korwa Emanyie Chigosori kono manchi moyere tobasa guskare
gusukagendra gutubwate nsemeri mtandao sema Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital wali mwatumira ujumbe chino ndochi gochirigiria asoboime eri kunyara agochikona kefo Osero dunga gudi joba agote wanagante goto bwati akati ya bande Dolphin mura very impressive Ndizi TV toska tonyore Chigosori
omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ry'ubunchoria bwaho ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio wikere abarigereria kuruchi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesime ase namba enoti sana na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elio to wikere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echuchira ase nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bwekiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yeito yonsi chinsemero ngebere naine bono onye kendegia korekanire aseke nyurukiao ekiota geto tumanye asubwango mono abwonda isi reke nambeye asesemi yao enoti sano na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elioto akere nabasaki baito baikasuri na kubeko roboti ubwo asembeo emesa ya mangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwa bekire simu yao ime
Mwana mwancho muligeli yango kwa ligania sensemo ya Emanyie Chigosori nigongoro kwa Victor Sultan wangi kwa senseme nde studio Vincent Onyancha na Osero wakomanyire asobwagale agagendreto korekana anene CNC ya Kenya na rongoro Gusii kolende leto chakire sensemo ya Chigosori eligi ya FKF Division 2 abwa se timu ya Ichuni combined na bo abanyangongo beligi ya FKF Division 2 se zone yabo maiga ya timu ya Kisumu Berets bo baroberi wa Chigosori na baraboli tkolegoro komocha wikirana segosori yoko ira timu ya Ichuni combined kwa ya wachi point isato ne chigo libere CNSMU Ichuni combined bono nigo bara chikoswa se ligi ya Division 1 oba chikosori ya usase namba ya kabere nigo baringe oneno na MFC na siribaga lya gatatu timu ya Isebania nigo yakora point emenongo ebere na isanesto ngwanga timu elia Ichuni combined siribaga litangani nigo bakora point emenongo 33 timu ya Shabana ime ligi ya National Super League ni go yariganetiwe seketikia Gusii Stadium litkoregoro ne timu ya Gusii FC agosori yasogete makali yogo tebekana goliende oirara timu chonsi bere konyora point ya mo ase ya mo turigerelie unegosori ya chiete maga totaranyora chinkwana chichikocha Megayo kwenyalire point yo momo kocha timu ya Shabana Samia Koth ni gono nyana bo atago kerete egosori ya orega tibune timu ya Gusii FC na goteba buno ni gochinga kichi nyinge bale gotiringa chinsa ilio tibanyo libagali okobekwa egoli Samia Koth ni gono nyana bo atebere buna na chikoene kinga anse chigosori chikobwatia ngo bekaro mukia na korwa matumaini ayenga chitimu chikobwatia nchichikorokia egosori ingia
game tumecheza, but kwa upande wangu kama coach jakuwa game ya kupendeza kwa sababu na believe tumecheza less than 70 ama 60 minutes first half na second half. Imekuwa low, imekuwa si game ya mashambulizi, imekuwa haijakuwa game nzuri. Kwa ufupi haijakuwa game nzuri, but all in all tumedraw na bado dream yetu iko valid. Bado tutazidi kufight tu kwa sababu tunataka ku-maintain bali tuko. Tunataka ku-maintain namba moja, so lazima tu win. Sasa tumebakisha 5 matches, so lazima tuende all out. But hii ijakuwa game nzuri. At least tuko na point bado. Na believe opponent watu tutacheza nao watacheza vile wamecheza kwa sababu wame waste time mingi wakiketi cheza low. Anytime game inataka kucheza wana reduce to 0. Sidhani kama opponent wale tutacheza nao next watabehave the same, but in case wakibehave the same, then si tutabidi tukua fast kwa ball na tutafute magoli mapema. Kama tungefunga ile penalty, sidhani kama wangebehave the same.
Chinga kibale seri bagalia gatano ase ligi ya National Super League Gusii FC ni gobaligetie konyo libagali ogoso ase playoffs chira chikoba yanekeli ogoso ase ligi ya Kenya Premier League. Mokocha gwe timu yo manyakane tebuna Kasim Junior ni go aereira matumaini aye otabuna ngo chira kobeko mo kemaiga yo konyo le point ya masegeti ya Gusii Stadium kwana kingango bwale chikosoli chinyinge chabo ase chitigale tikisano elia chikwenya libagali ogoso na mbaisato nyole libagali waka chigosoli chiria cha playoffs.
Kwa majina naitwa Kasim Junior, mimi ndio coach Gusii FC. Mechi leo dabi ilikuwa ngumu kidogo. Tunaangalia wenzetu ilikuwa mechi muhimu kwao. Sisi again pia tuko tunaangalia still bado nafikiri tuko na chance ya kumaliza namba 3. So we wanted this game sana pia, that's why ilikuwa ngumu kidogo for timu zote mbili. Unajua kila mechi unaitake vile imekuja. Unaangalia the whole game 90 minutes kidogo tumecheza under pressure. Opponents wetu walikuwa wanataka hizi points sana. So unapata each and every time pressure ilikuwa inakuja kwetu. So again hiyo pia ilikuwa part of vile tulikuwa tumepanga for hii match. Next match tuko na Migori Youth pale Migori, ni game ngumu pia and na feel preparation yetu imekuwa poa. Tunataka kuface hiyo game pia with a lot of seriousness because still vile nimesema tuna feel games zimebaki, tukipiga poa tuzishinde na feel tuko na chance ya kuingia playoffs.
Manchomaligali ya Gusii FC nigo ewuchiko solia ne timu Migori Youth ikendi gocha chinga kimigori Youth ere seri bagalia gatatu timu ya Gusii FC ere seri bagalia gatano osabo gwaitonga na baro mumbachi kwenyora libagalia bene lyoko bwa chigo soli chibu na baro beretie elio basoe senseme yo baganitie senseme nde amashabiki ye timu ya Shabana ni gonaro alina matumaini ngali bagalia bale sebono wenyole ile libagalia bene lyogosoa se egosoli ose ase ligi ya Kenya Premier League kwa na maiga egosoli gati ya Shabana na Gusii FC asigati kia Gusii Stadium mashabiki abo ni gono nyana babo batago kerete matumai osama chibu yegolia yogo tabekana goliende yegosoli yo na gotabuna mbaisa negetane point yemo na koendera korke matumaini yogo chigosoa ase ligi ya Kenya Premier League.
Mechi ya leo ikiwa siku ya Jumapili, vijana wangu wa Shabana United versus the Gusii United FC, they have done their best. We will learn to line between. They have shown what we deserved. Regardless that tumeenda draw haina hoja ni mechi imeisha vizuri kwa amani. Though Though we are wishing all the best kwa vijana wetu. Hao ni vijana wetu wa nyumbani, vijana ambao tunaheshimu, tunapatia heshima ya kwanza. Mwenye ataingia league aingie, atie bidii kwa mazoezi. Mwenye atachukua namba yake ile yenye anachukua, atie pia next time bidii. We love them, we respect them. Otherwise, we've been enjoying together, we've been playing together, we've been having a better momentum with them. Wish all the best, Gusii Shabana FC. Wish all the best, Shabana FC, and we are playing for the best for the next and the remaining days.
Sawa, kwa majina naitwa Richard Nyakundi, mkazi wa Kisii na shabiki mkubwa wa Shabana. Sina furaha sana maana tumepoteza pointi 2 muhimu, lakini game ni hali na pia ni derby tunaelewa, lakini we hope for the rest of the remaining games vijana wetu watakazana kwa sababu najua tuna coach wa maana ambaye anaweza, so that we see how we can clinch this title and then tuende mbele tukiingia league. So imani yangu ni kwamba league tunaingia. Hiyo tunaingia kabisa kwa imani kwa sababu ukiangalia pale tulipo tunaingia kwa league. So nawatia moyo vijana wetu, hasa mkubwa wetu maestro mwenyewe Wycliffe pamoja na Peter Ogechi, waongoze vijana, watie moyo kabisa.
Gaye bitango bikagire ko baigoro yenengo etimu ya Harambee Stars magaya ni goya nyarali bagali tukulia lero ko yanda immense ya Mauritius liko solia ase tournament yichinse ya Harambee Stars ni goya robire ko koletaro yabo uzisabali yabo litukulia Jumamosi na ko solia esaba solia bentanga litukulia Jumapili nense ya Djibouti ege corona nyana boge tanyali kanete se bitango byakagire ko baigoro yenengo etimu ya banto 23 ni go bali nendege litukulia lero na weekend ya Mauritius abo asaba solia se tournament yo yechitimu inye abo se tokuganiria etimu ito ya Harambee Stars maya chinga kibago chikosolia se tournament yo mwancho moligeria araina kwaliganira tikorwa se Emanyie Gusii asengenchebiro tete mbatigere Vincent Onyancha na Osero kurwa sensemende mnabutambe ipo siku tuzideshenia kwa Victor Sultan Obanyi.
Biamono Victor Sultan na kuresemendi studio asoto manyamange anasensemelia ye Chigosori.
Mwanchu muri ribano gwikiraga igana to wika o moerio we Emanyie Jumatato kurendera nto basaguskare chikoraga chinse satondo chikumerana ero to kumanyie amange asenchira yo gwikirano.
Igono na mange to kwaliganiriti asenginche biru mwanchu muri kuresemere to kumanyie kubuna ebiro bito byabeire biko butuko urutari kubwatera nere gotira somo no Emanyie igakoro kwa Joshua Auta.
Ncheri etariane Everline Osero.
Tomerani sato etirane Vincent Onyancha.